Let me share with you a secret. When you search on Google, you can instantly make money. Sounds impossible, right? Maybe some of you don't even believe what I'm saying, but trust me, I will prove in this video that it is possible to earn money by clicking and just searching on Google. Here you have the opportunity to earn $5 in PayPal and sometimes even more. And that's all without submitting an application, making videos, or selling anything. If you want to get money from Google by simply clicking links, this is the right video for you. This is an easy task that you can do during your free time to make some additional cash. Whether you'll spend it to buy what you want or pay for something that you need, this strategy will simply give you additional money. So if you want that, you should watch this video, so you'll know everything you have to know, especially the most important ones. Just pay close attention. Hi, welcome to Daily Cash Flow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Now let's start with the first step. Go to google.com. I know that you're already familiar with Google, and most likely, you've already used this popular search engine. So if for some reason you don't know, Google is a search engine and the most popular website on the entire World Wide Web. It is a fact that it receives hundreds of millions of daily visitors. So I'm sure you also use Google frequently. If not always, maybe sometimes, or whenever you need it. Now I want to demonstrate something to you. For example, I could search for a nearby ramen restaurant, or any kind of business that I want. You can go ahead, try it yourself. Search for a local cafe or resto. Just for this video though, I'll search for a ramen restaurant. Don't worry, we're only doing some searches of some good ramen places in the world or in our local areas. We won't be contacting them, talking to them, or even buying anything. We're just going to search for them. But before I show the next step, let me show you something first. Let's assume you're just so hungry and craving for ramen. So you searched for ramen restaurants near your area. When you search it on Google, in just a single click, you'll see many results. And so, here are the Google results. If you search for ramen restaurants near you, you'll probably choose the results on the first page. And because you're so hungry, you'll choose the first result right away, and you wouldn't even bother to go to the second or subsequent pages after that. This actually happens every time people search for something on Google. I'm pretty sure you're like that as well, because honestly, I'm just like that too. I only focus on the results of the first page, and I don't waste my time looking at the results on the other pages. Since people always choose the first page of results when searching for anything on Google, those results on the second page, fifth page, or even the 10th page typically don't receive any clicks. And so, businesses on those pages lose out on a lot of sales. And so because of this, big corporations and businesses are willing to spend millions of dollars only to rank well on Google, which will ultimately help them attract more customers or clients. That would entail the application of a method called search engine optimization, or SEO. Search engines like Google use an SEO to evaluate a site's value and how high to rank it when customers search for a keyword. For instance, if you search for a keyword like the one we searched earlier, when you click on that particular website and stay there for a couple of minutes, Google will see that website as an important site, thus giving it a better ranking. Since Google is the most widely used search engine, companies are willing to spend large sums of money to make it to the top results. Now let's proceed to the second step. Also, just a reminder, if you like the video, please consider leaving a like. You could also subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. And ringing that bell would really help so you get notified of each upload. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Go to Google, but this time enter Mozilla Firefox in the search tab. Yes, you heard it right, Mozilla Firefox, not Google Chrome. What you need to do is to install the web browser from their official website, mozilla.org. Just click the Download Firefox button and wait until it finishes downloading. Don't worry because Firefox is also a browser, just like Apple Safari, Google Chrome, and Internet Explorer. However, it's crucial that you install and utilize Mozilla Firefox for this video, because the method that I will be sharing with you in this video is only for this browser. You can only do it on Mozilla Firefox, so don't forget step number 2. For the third step, once you've installed Mozilla Firefox, go back to google.com again and type SERPclicks into the search bar using the Firefox browser this time. Click on the serpclicks.com link right here. And so here, you can see the SERPclicks homepage. SERPclicks helps users to improve their search engine results. It's written here that you can grow your SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic at a very low cost price, with a DIY option and an easy-to-use system. Thus, these individuals also offer rating services and real clickers. And now, scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, and under the account section, click the Become a Clicker link. To earn money, you need to visit websites or click some links. By doing that, you can make between 5 and 10 cents per click. The good thing is, you can earn from a 10% referral commission. They also offer a minimum payout of about $5, so that's approximately 50 clicks. And it's also quite easy to do that. This website started last June 2016, but as you can see, they're still operating and is quite capable of helping different companies. Moving on to the next step, scroll down once more until you reach the button that says "Click here to join the network." When you click it, you'll be directed to the registration page where you need to fill out all the necessary information. Don't worry, because anywhere you are, you can join and earn money with this free website. Just provide your email address, make a password, and type in your PayPal account information. You need to have a PayPal account because this is where they'll transfer the money you earn from clicking. After confirming your PayPal email, just hit the submit button. And by the way, you also need to install the SERPclicks extension for Mozilla Firefox. Don't be confused about where you'll install that extension from. You can download the SERPclicks browser extension right away by clicking on it. It shouldn't take long to install the add-on. And that's how you can make money. After that, you can now begin earning money by just clicking. Once again, you can only use SERPclicks on Firefox and not on Google Chrome. Just so you know, SERPclicks will pay you money at the start of the month after you've accumulated $5. As I've stated a while ago, SERPclicks now only accepts PayPal payment requests once a month. Additionally, the sum will roll over to the following month if you don't meet the required minimum payout amount for that month. Overall, SERPclicks is the ideal option if you're looking for a new approach to making money online with the websites that just take a small amount of work and no prior work experience. And that's it. What do you think about this method? If you already have your own business, would you consider paying thousands of money just to make your business website at the top of the result list? I hope you learned something from this video. Just share your comments and thoughts down below in the comment section. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.